Racing gas is started. Shama Pamilya. Break quickly at start. Escolta and on the outside. Suburban. Asikuda down on the inside now is Mirabel. Then next on line now is Blushing Star. And going along for the first turn. Shama Pamilya. Escolta. Suburban. Then down on the inside now is Asikuda. Miss Delicious comes next. Blushing Star. Dakara, then followed over by Sobrang Class. Mirabal comes next, then on the outside, Don Martino. Next on line is Gifted Champ, then followed over by Out of the Blue, while Red Wings is racing in 13th. Back to the leader, Jamo Pamilya, by about half length, Escolta. Now about to throw the challenge on the outside, Suburban is racing in third, then comes Zasikura, Blushing Star, Mirabal, Miss Delicious, Dakara, Don Martino, then followed by Gifted Champ, Out of the Blue, Sobrang Class, while Red Wings is still racing in 13th. And as they swing for home, where is Colta? This time by about 3 lengths. Shamo Pamilya still in second. Mirabal is racing in third with about 100 meters of the race. We have Escolta followed by Shamo Pamilya. And finally, it's going to be Escolta, Shamo Pamilya, Mirabal, then comes Asikuda, Don Martino, and Suburban for your Super 6.
Yep.